Wow, look at that, bro. It's amazing. Welcome to my studio, and today I want to help you fix all of problem of Apple Mirror on your gaming laptop or your PC or Windows with your beautiful iPhone. Get ready. As you can see, bro, I'm here. I meet many problems with Apple Mirror, and today I want to help you to fix this easily. Okay, first of all, don't connect your USB cable. Okay, your USB Type C cable if you meet some problem with drivers, because it's created driver with my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let me show you quick. As you can see, this is the USB Type C for what? What are you doing? What are you doing? Let go! Let me, please! Okay, thank you. Now, this is the USB cable. If you want to use Apple Mirror very well, I recommend you to don't connect this to your PC, because it will create driver conflict, problem of drivers. After which you will not your phone will not appear directly in your screen when you connect your phone. Don't open Apple Mirror, because it's delete your drivers. This is the first problem to fix. So first step, don't connect this. Thank you. Now, if you want to pair your phone to Apple Mirror and it's not working, I recommend you to do something that I want to show you right now. Look at, you come here, okay? Do something like that. Do again something like that, and you can see Apple Mirror here. As you can see, it's not open, but when you see here, it's here. What you can do, just to close this, okay? Click on finish, restart, and it's now closed. Do something like that. Do again this. Now is good. Now after this, you can check this thing here, okay, when you connect it, because if you don't do this, you will see a problem. I will show you right now. Now let's go for the test. Open Apple Mirror. Wonderful. When it's open, you need to come on your phone. When you come directly in your phone, what can you do? This is simple. You click on screen mirroring, and you can see Apple Soft. Click on Apple Soft, and you will see something in this screen. Wonderful. As you can see, is connected now. Okay, wonderful, beautiful. If you want to use your mouse and your keyboard, the keyboard directly on this screen, you need to do another things. Like what? Let me show you very well. Come here, you can see, click here. When you click here, the cursor change. Now the cursor change. But when you click on the cursor and you want to connect, you want to work with this, nothing in your screen. You need absolutely to connect your phone directly to your computer with Bluetooth, okay, to use this beautiful gaming mouse and your keyboard. And to do this, don't go directly on in your computer and something like that until just plus and looking for your phone first. No, 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 no. If you do this, it will not working. What you need to do, this is simple. Close this and check this. Go on your phone and try to connect your phone. Try to connect to Bluetooth with first from your phone, okay, your phone to your computer. Connect with your phone from your phone to computer, following this instruction. Look look at this, look at very well. You need to enable Bluetooth and check for your PC name or your PC Bluetooth. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled and you can see Bluetooth here. Okay, thank you. And follow very well this instruction. Follow well. Go on Bluetooth, checking, looking for this, all of this instruction here. First, come on your phone first. Okay, okay. Now, what can you do? Go on settings, and this is iPhone 12 Pro Max. Nice. When you come on settings, what? Go back. When you come on settings, looking for Bluetooth. Go on Bluetooth. As you can see, if your Bluetooth is off like that, click here to enable this like that. Now look at this is the name of my computer. Look at here. When you go on Bluetooth, let me show you very well here. When you go on settings, when you click here settings, it come here. You can see this logo, driver, Bluetooth, and voila, implement. You can see this. You can see Bluetooth is enabled, and when you see, look at very well, this is empty, and you can only your keyboard, your mouse enable here. Okay, now when you see this, look at very well. Oh, what are you doing? When you come here, oh, let me go, let move, let me show to my subscriber how I can do this. They can fix this problem. Now when you come here, you can see here, you can see the name of your computer. This in French. This is the name of your computer Bluetooth. Okay, now come here and look at that. I have two different names here. I don't know what to choose. I need to choose one, but look at nothing. Don't worry if you test the first, and you can see add. Okay, you need to add. Now click on add, and we see face. This is the code. Now look at very well in this screen, in your phone screen. Verify if this is the same code. 22 and 22, 13 the end, and 13 number in the end. Now what? It disappear. If you take so many times, this thing cannot work. It disappear. Now you need to cancel this thing and retry again. Click on this. Wonderful. Come again. Click on this thing. You can click on authorize. I don't know if it's working because I have not put my code. Okay, click on again this thing again. I don't know if it is working because I have not put my code. Okay, can you see this? It's a problem. It's a problem. As you can see, it's not working because I have not put the code that we have seen on this screen. You can see here it's connected, but it's not working because I have not put my code. I have not put my code first. You need to put your code first. Okay, now what can you do? This is simple. You come here. Okay, you come on your phone, in your phone, do something like that, and forget this device. Forget this device. Okay, forget this device. Now it's not here. Close your Bluetooth. Okay, turn off Bluetooth. Come in your beautiful phone. Come in your gaming, your PC. Now click delete iPhone. Now delete your iPhone name, your iPhone ID, Apple ID. When it's done, okay, close all of this, close, and try to reconnect this. Okay, try to reconnect this. the thing what you need to do is to click on this enable Bluetooth. When Bluetooth is on, let me move this thing quick. When Bluetooth is on, let's check for your Bluetooth device name again. Click on this, what you object, and wait for this information. After this, click on this thing, and normally you will see the code here appear here, but the code is not appear. Have you seen this? Oh no. When the code appear, you need to put the code, because if you will not put the code, it is not working. It is not working. Not working. Let me try again. You need absolutely to put the code into. If you not put the code, it is not working. This is what you can need to do. As you can see, problem of connection. Let's disable this quick. What? Look at. Okay. Come back. Come here. Delete this thing. Nothing. Let's try again. Let's try. Okay. Come here. Forget this device. Nice. Turn off Bluetooth. Turn on. Okay. This is not what I want to see. Okay, now you have two devices. Click on the second. I need this code. If this code not appear here, it's dangerous. You can see here add, but they are not the code that I want. I want the code. Now click in the first. Close again. Close Bluetooth. I need absolutely the code. Without the code, it's not working. They're not working. Let's wait for the next device. Okay. Accessory. Okay, when you click on accessory, now you have the code. Click on pair. Come on your computer. Now you can see the code appear here. Click on yes. Now close. And when you adjust this and you come here in your computer, now you can see you cannot see the message that you have seen before. Are you serious? Now you can use your mouse. This is what is called accessories. Now you can see for the same computer you have two names for the same computer. You can see Bluetooth. This is my name, the name of this computer, and for the same computer you have two Bluetooth names connected. The first is to connect to your computer. The second is to use the accessories, the keyboard and your mouse like Bluetooth. Okay, like as Bluetooth. When you see something like that, this is, when you see something like that, you are ready to use your computer keyboard and your mouse to do what you want to do with your amazing phone directly to your screen. Okay, this is how to fix the problem your devices. Now you can see it's working very well. You can see no problem. Great. Okay, nice, and it's working. Look at, working without touch, and working. This is how to fix this problem of connection of mouse, devices, keyboard, all of this. Okay, thank you. Now you know you know how to do this. Now click on close. You can close this folder. As you can see, it's closed. When you come here, look at mirror. You can see Apple soft still enable. Why? As you can see here, it's not here. Normally, it's not in. Normally, you cannot see this here again because it's closed. But when you do this, look at when you do this. When you do this, it's trying to connect to your computer, but it's not working. It takes so many times. It's not working. Why is he do this? Let me show you. Come on your gestional. Come on this logo, gestional task, gestionary. This in French and translate in English. When you come on touch gestionary and you will just this, look at. You will see something. This is enabled. If it's still enabled like that, if is still this service is still activate. When you open again Apple Soft, you will see something in the screen. Look at. When you come here and you run to connect again to your computer, you will see something like that. Look at. Apple Soft appear, but when you try to connect, it's not working. It's not working. It's not working, and you can see this in AirPlay enabled to connect to Apple Soft and my name. As you can see, can you see this? This is because the services was enabled. You need to close this application and go and close again the services before we try to connect. Okay, now come here, close this Apple mirror, close. You come here, you do something like that, it's closed, and you come here, you do the same thing. Now come on this sheet, you select this services Apple mirror. Do oh, where are you going? Where are you? As you can see, okay, it's here. Now you do right click and click on finish this thing, close this services. Okay, close this services. Let's try if it's very real close. Do something like that. And now look at, it's not here anymore. Okay, now it's really close and you can open again this Apple software, Apple mirror, and wonderful. When you come on Apple mirror, you can see this was the message that you have seen before. Okay, this is a message that you have seen before. Now you are ready to retry again to see if what I have done with you can fix this problem. Click on OK, finish with this. Now come here and go on screen mirroring. And our screen mirroring, you can see is appear again. Now when you click, look at what you can see. One, beautiful, and it's connected. Okay, and you can see here, click on mouse. Okay, now when you click on face screen, look at, it's working, and look at that. Oh Jesus, you are so nice today. Oh. You are so beautiful. Look at that. You can use your mouse and your keyboard to do what you want to do. Okay, let's see the keyboard. Hey, what are you doing? Let me go. Look at. Oh, my hand. Okay, let's see the keyboard. What can I do? I need just to create something, a test. Okay, to see if the keyboard working also. Okay. Never touch the keyboard. Come here. See. See. And it's working. Look at that. Oh, no way. It's working here. And it's working also here. Now your device is connected. No conflict anymore. No devices conflict anymore. No drivers conflict anymore. Remember very, very, very well. No, don't connect your USB cable. Don't connect your USB cable. Okay? Don't connect this. If you connect this, This software will install another driver that is a problem for the functionality of your beautiful phone directly in your phone, in your PC. Okay, okay. Now you know. If you want to fix the problem of driver with your iOS, your iPhone or your iPad, something like that, you need to install free tools. Free tools can help you fix all of problem of drivers. You need just to click on repair drivers number two. Repair drivers. Okay, repair driver. Okay, this in French and I said in English. Repair driver directly here, and it's done. With this free tools, you can also install the good iTunes for your gaming laptop, for your PC. Okay, with this I can open all of my software, okay, and do what I want just like that. Now you know how to fix all of problems of this Apple soft mirror. This Apple mirror. Now you know how to fix all of this problem, all of this. Now you know. Now you know. Now you can do what you want to do easily and enjoy yourself. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. You can also support our channel. My bank link details in the description. You can download and not where we are bank link, where we are bank details. Okay. Thank you for watching. I appreciate this, and I see you later for the next video because it's amazing. Thank you for watching. Thank you. I love you all. Subscribe. God bless you all. Good job, oh, good job. Jesus is Lord. Jesus is really Lord.